If a serum claims to erase wrinkles overnight and give a Botox-like lift without needles, it deserves a closer look, and that's exactly why so many people are talking about Fuente Silk Peptide. Marketed as a Korean anti-aging breakthrough, this serum promotes silk thread technology and peptide infusion as a way to tighten sagging skin and smooth wrinkles instantly. While the idea sounds futuristic, dermatological science does not support the claim that any topical product can physically lift the face the way cosmetic procedures do. The so-called silk thread lifting concept appears to be a marketing phrase rather than a medically recognized technology. The branding leans heavily on Korean skincare credibility, yet there is limited transparency about manufacturing origins and clinical validation. Promotional materials highlight dramatic before and after transformations and instant tightening effects, but verifiable clinical evidence remains difficult to find. Consumer discussions also point to questionable Trustpilot ratings and testimonials that appear staged or duplicated, raising concerns about authenticity. Customer support channels and refund processes have been described as inconsistent, and the product itself resembles a widely rebranded peptide serum sold under different names with varying price points. That said, peptide serums can support hydration and skin barrier health, which may temporarily improve the appearance of fine lines, giving a smoother look rather than structural lifting. Expectations play a crucial role here. Those seeking cosmetic procedure-level tightening may be disappointed, while users wanting a basic moisturizing serum may find it comparable to other peptide formulas on the market. Before purchasing, it is wise to evaluate ingredient transparency, verify independent reviews, and approach dramatic anti-aging claims with informed skepticism.